Hi guys, Si from SiNi Software. We're going to talk about our network proxy server. So if you work in a studio and you don't have access to the internet at your workstations, we have this SiNi network proxy server. So when you first download this and you install this on your server, I'll just run this here, quickly run through, install, and it's going to fire up. So when I first launched this, this here is not the proxy server. This is an interface that talks to the proxy server. The proxy server is a Windows service, so if you're running on Linux, you'll need an emulator. The only way to actually make any changes to the proxy server is through our Proxy Server Manager, which is this little piece of software here. So in this piece of software, there's a couple of things you can do. You can go test the internet, and if it comes back successfully, that means your firewall is not blocking our software. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go test the license servers, and we're going to come back. So both license servers have come through, and they're working, so there's no problems here. Now, one thing that we're going to need to check is we're going to need this IP address. So it's going to be 0.27 at the end, and I'm going to fire up Max here. Okay, so right now I'm just going to test my login, and my user successfully logs in with that. So now I'm going to turn on the proxy server login. So that was 0.27, and with this turned on, now I'm going to connect. And you can see I've connected to the proxy server. So now I am actually not going through my internet connection. I'm actually going to where I've installed this proxy server on the network, and my connection now is tunneling through that proxy server. So this is the way to get around if you work in a studio, like you're working on Disney films, and they will not allow you to have an internet connection at your workstation for security reasons, obviously. You're going to need another way. If you are in this situation, just give this information to your admin and he'll get it all installed for you if they're allowed. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya.